Good day. So this is your teacher, Teacher Boom. This video is for mathayom 5 students. Okay, so today we are going to do the exercises of chapter 2, unit 3. So let's start. So the first exercise will be choose the correct definition of the words in bold. Why are the words not in bold already? So your body, your body stopped functioning after only 72 hours without drinking water. So the bold word is functioning. That is the bold word. No. The bold word is functioning. So the answer is with A, sweating, B, walking, and producing tears, which is what? Stop working, right? Stop working, B. Considerable water is locked in massive glaciers. The word is in bold is glaciers. What does it mean? A slow moving mass of ice, a large storage of container, a large lake. A slow moving mass of ice. Number 3, meteorologists call this cycle the hydrologic cycle. The hydrologic cycle. A, which are the word is the word in bold is meteorologist. So the scientists who study meteors. B, scientists who study weather. C, scientists who study water. B, scientists who study weather. Okay, so we'll move to the next exercise. Choose the best word to fill in the blanks. The chemical of water is extremely stable, rarely breaking apart. A, function. B, constant. C, compound. D, condensation. C, compound. Some people use solution in their eyes because they wear contact lens. A, vapor. B, constant. C, compound. D, saline. D. D. Put a lid on the pot to keep all of the water from evaporating, transpiring, condensing, precipitating, evaporating. Rain and snow are forms of condensation, evaporation, precipitation, transpiration. C, precipitation. When R has a positive or negative charge, it is called an ion, vapor, molecule, glacier, ripple, molecule. B, molecule. The next exercise, language form, the meaning. Language form, the meaning. This one is not on page 10. It's on page 22. So choose the correct form and fill it in the blanks. 1. He used his hand to wipe from the inside of the car's window. A, condensed. B, condensation. C, condensing. D, condenses. B, condensation. As the gas gain energy, they move faster and spread out. Molecularly. Molecules. So the molecules. She said that strange in the room were giving her a headache. Vaporize, vapor, vaporized, vaporization. Strange vapor, B. The formula has 2 in it, not just 1. Constant, A, constants, B, constant, C, constantly, D, inconstant. A, constants. Another way to say that something brief is to say that it's A, transpiring, B, transpired. Oh, I did not put C. C is what? C is transpires. Transpires. And then D is transpiration. D is transpiration. So the answer is C, transpires. C, transpires. So the next section, underline the correct word in parentheses. So we have to underline. In the hydrologic cycle, there is, in the hydrologic cycle, there's a mistake there. So there, number of roots, R is a number of roots, water molecules may follow. So but the answer is there are, because we have number of roots. which means it's more than one root, right? Number of roots, which means it's more than one root. So it's supposed to be there are. There are. So number 2, there a single atom of oxygen in each molecule may follow. There are single, which is 1. A single means 1. So it's supposed to be there is. During a drought, there very little precipitation. So precipitation is what? Precipitation is like it's uncountable, right? It's uncountable. So because it's uncountable, we use there is. So there is very little precipitation. We cannot count the precipitation. So there is very little precipitation. In the Earth's ocean, there are more than 1 trillion cubic kilometers of water. There are. Water is uncountable, but here is a cubic kilometers of water. You can count it. There are. There, a large percentage of the world's population is very limited to, is very limited. A large percentage of the world's population with very limited access to drinkable water. So, what do you think? Are or is? So there is large. Okay. So that will be all. So you just check before I give you this exercise, right? So you open your notebook and you check which one did you get, right? Just check it by yourself, which one you got. If you got it all, then fine. Then later you take a picture and you send it to me. Okay? Good day and have a nice day. Stay safe.